Hello everyone. Welcome again. My God, we're having fun, aren't we? So, water temperature 40 degrees. Just kidding. It's 34. But once it hits 40, then I'll be feeling very confident. Conditions, muddy. Muddy still. We cannot lose the mud. I don't know why. It's just not going away. And it's about to rain, so it might get worse. It is March 20th today. Whew. Man, last year we would have been slinging them in. I don't know what's going on, guys. And then it is 43 degrees out right now. It's like 12 o'clock. So we're gonna try again. Let's get them.